Now, if you're having problems with the Equalizer APO or APO and it's not working for you, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that you selected the appropriate devices. So in this case, you want to go and open up Equalizer APO or APO here and just choose your devices. Like for your playback devices, make sure you've selected the correct one. Channel configuration, you can go ahead and choose one that you want to use. Now, in this case, if this doesn't work, the next thing that you want to do is you want to open the other settings for it. So just type in APO here. You want to open up the Equalizer APO device selector, and you want to make sure that you select the proper devices, like for example, your playback devices and your capture devices. Now, also you can go and enable the troubleshoot options only if you can, just in case something is having some problems in here, and basically proceed as you would. Now, again, you want to make sure that you select the correct devices and close this one, and basically open up the APO Equalizer and see if that actually helps. Now, if not, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go just restart your PC. Sometimes a good restart can actually help a lot. Now, in some cases, this will solve your issue, but if not, there's one thing that you may want to check here. Now, the thing with this one is if you do edit the config, or if you change any EQ changes, if you import your EQ settings and or even like change the dials on or any other .txt file, it won't be used or won't be heard unless you update the config.txt file as well. So in this case, you want to go and just go to search, just type in APO. You want to look for either Equalizer APO configuration editor here, right click on it, just choose open file location. Now once this opens up, you want to go right click on it again, and you want to go ahead and look for open file location. You want to look for the config folder. You should see the config.txt. Now this is what it's going to look like. Now you want to make sure that you change or update the details here. So like the preamp, include if you want to include like a txt file, and also the graphics EQ here if you want to edit that as well, so that your changes will be heard. But just make sure to save your changes, and again restart your Equalizer APO here, or even like close it before doing this. So, but that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.